Everyone, myself Jishnu Haldar. Now I am going to describe on Srishti NGO and its notable work. First of all, I request my all listener to listen my speech carefully. So let's start. Srishti Change Life. Srishti is a registered non-governmental non-profit social work organization. We are working with the private section, rural children, youth, women in the area of Sundarban, district South 24 PGS since 2007. The office is located about 75 kilometers distance between state capital Kolkata and Kashinagar head office. Now I am going to describe some objective works of Srishti. Number 1, computer training for poor family school students. Number 2, to promote coaching